everybody, welcome back again. Today I know I still have to finish up my swatches of my nail polishes I was going to do, but I'm going to take a break from that and I'm just going to do a review on this MoYou London plate Flower Power. And it actually looks like the first one they had that was always sold out, and this is actually Flower Power Collection 29, and yeah, it looks just like the first one, but I mean there's a couple different little things, but it's very close. So I'm going to do some swatches on that and I will be right back. Oh yeah, before I get started, I just want to say these are just the tips from the nail polish swatches I did earlier in my other video. I just took them off of this plate right here and just stuck them on here. Why not? Might as well not let them go to waste, right? So I'm going to use my Winstonia stamper, marshmallow stamper, and yeah, again, I will be right back when I am finished so we can talk about this plate. Okay guys, I'm back, and as you see, this one got a little wavy. It was how I stamped it. It had nothing to do with the plate. But and as you've seen when I was stamping with the white polish, it looks like there was black in it. I think it's because I was cleaning the plate, but I think my card had from when I was stamping with the black. But it didn't affect how the stamp looked. You didn't see any of the black marking in it. So, I don't know. So, this plate is a really cute summer plate. Spring, summer. And, yeah, it works really good. It's etched well. I recommend it. It's a good plate. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. All the swatches. And I thank you for watching. I will be back doing some more swatches with some more nail polish because I have so much stuff to get through. Tons of plates, tons of polish, and I got some free time now, so what's any better time than now, right? While everybody's home and quarantined and watching videos. So subscribe, share, comment, say hello, give me a like or a dislike, and yeah, have a blessed evening, or I should say morning, because it's like 3 in the morning. And yeah, have a good blessed evening, stay safe, take care, and bye.